looks packed today. Wait, that's me, but anyway. She doesn't care a thing. Oh, wait, 49!
She thinks I'm beautiful.
Meet Virginia. I love this song.
She never compromises. Loves babies and surprises. Wears high heels when she exercises. Ain't that beautiful? Meet Virginia. Well, she wants to be the queen. Then she thinks about her scene. Pulls her hair back as she screams.
Here's the shot number 5.
Daddy wrestles alligators. Mama works on carburetors. My brother is a fine mediator for the president. Well, here she is again on the phone, just like me. Ain't Snoopy alone. We just like to sit at home with on the president. Meet Virginia. Well, she wants to then she thinks she screams. I really want this.
Really? Fuck! She only drinks coffee at midnight. The moment is not right. The timing is quite.
She only drinks
Coffee at midnight when the moment is not right and the timing is quite unusual.
You see, her confidence is tragic, but her intuition magic.
In the shape of a body.
Unusual.
Meet
Meet Virginia. I can't wait to meet Virginia. Yeah. Well, she wants